Someone is being told to stop talking and they just publicly agreed to it. Bakit kaya may kailangang mag-issue ng rules tungkol sa mga prosecutors na nagsasalita sa labas ng korte? Here's what's happening. The House Prosecution Panel, yung grupo na nag-file ng impeachment case, announced calmly on Sunday na susundin nila ang anumang directives ng Senate Impeachment Court about their public engagements. Parang normal, di ba? Pero think about it. You don't formally announce you'll follow rules unless someone was already breaking them. Pamahinga, ma'am. O kaya ay, close na. That's the part nobody's explaining out loud. The Senate Impeachment Court may be about to put limits on what prosecutors can say publicly outside the trial, sa social media, sa interviews, na lahat. And the prosecutors just blinked first. Yung taong dapat mag-prosecute ng kaso ay pinagbawalan na magsalita ng malaya bago pa man magsimula ang laban. If you want the full story as it unfolds, we cover every move. Subscribe ka na. Someone agreed to be silenced and they called it compliance.